Back again on the channel with something that most of you may be interesting. Yes, today we have a product from UMIDIGI called UMIDIGI UFit, and because we find ourselves locked down, it's important to keep tracking our activities even if we are in the house. One of the most important functions of this smartwatch is the blood oxygen monitor, which we're gonna talk a little bit later. So if you can see, this is the box. Not a heavy box, not a big box, and it's coming with this sterry black color. I just removed the top, and if you can see, we got the smartwatch, and let's find out what else is inside. We got an USB cable, it's sealed, and let's have a look. Come on. Yeah, so we can charge our smartwatch. So it's an USB, so you can plug on any adapter that you have in the house. Also, we got some papers, so we can scan following QR codes, and we can download the app because we can connect the smartwatch through the Bluetooth, through the phone, and you're gonna have a lot of function to play with. And like I said, a few papers so you can read everything. It's in Chinese, also in English, so it'll be no problem for you. Let's put this all together and let's have a look to the smartwatch. Okay, let's see. That's it. Let's put this all together, and not heavy at all. Looks really interesting. And we got this black strap which is attached to the smartwatch, and we can unpeel this. Also it says function button, press to return, so it's only one button all over the smartwatch, if you can see at this moment. Also another message, please charge to activate the watch before you use it. Now, like I said before, if you want to start using the smartwatch, you just need to charge it once so you can activate it. In order to do that, you just need that USB cable with that charging port attached to the smartwatch, and then you can activate it. After that, you can start using the smartwatch from the beginning. Now, the screen is the size of 1.3 inch and looks quite interesting, full color, and can be customizable in 4 different ways. We got these rubber straps around the smartwatch, and if you want you can take it off. Also the body, it's made from aerospace grade 316L stainless steel, combining with this 2.5D carved protective glass, offering high strength to the weight and less sensible to scratches from everyday activities. Okay, if you press on this button, you always gonna go back. Okay, and like I said before, why do we need a blood oxygen sensor? Well, many people all over the world are suffering from sleep apnea, virus infection, or even lung diseases, which can cause low blood oxygen level. A period measurement of the blood oxygen could better understand your health. So today, through this function, let's press it again, blood oxygen. Through this function, we're gonna measure the blood oxygen, and we're gonna find out the normal and the low limits of a person. So, well, that person, it's me. And the normal ratio should be around 95 to 100, and below that normal, it's under 95. Okay, so I didn't talk because I just want to show you the normal limits. I did before and I shouldn't talk, so my blood oxygen was not quite accurate. So it's better to stay still, not talking, and breathe normal to have a better result. So at this moment it's 99%, which most of the time I've seen these results. So 99% it's a normal rate. If it's under 95, it should be a little bit of a problem. Let's see what else we got. Let's go back, and we got the blood pressure, and we got the heart rate, the sport mode, relax, alarms, music control, so you can control your music, the timer, and you got settings and sport record. Let's go back on the heart rate. On this moment, the smartwatch is gonna monitor your activity 24/7. If you can see, on resting I got a 62, and because I'm agitated talking, doing this review, probably my BPM would be very high. Yeah, let's go back and let's do a blood pressure. Also, why this is important? Well, it's important because of the high intensity, high stress, high anxiety, and persistent overwork, which can lead to irregular heart rate, which can be a problem even for these young people. Let's do a blood pressure test and let's have a look. Keep still. Okay, 74 per 119. I'm not a doctor, so I don't know how good is this result. Maybe some of you are a doctor, so you can tell me. Okay, let's go through the menu at this moment and let's have a look on these more functions. Relax, you can choose between 1 or 2 minutes, and you got alarms, so you can set up an alarm, and then music control, so you can control your music. Also, we're gonna put this smartwatch to the app to my smartphone, and we're gonna have another look. So you got also a timer, see, minutes, seconds. You can press stop again. Yeah, that's cool, really good. Settings also, dial, and you can choose also from 4 different screens. Let's see which one looks good. I think I like this one. Yeah, this one. Let's move back on the settings. Settings again. You can choose the luminosity, dimming says here. I like on the big one. And then shut down if you want to turn the smartwatch off. And about the version. And let's go back again. And that's it. And now we're gonna move on the smartphone, because you can connect this smartwatch through the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Before that, I'm just gonna say that this is 5 ATM level waterproof, meaning the water resistance up to 50 meters, but be careful because it's not suitable for scuba diving, like high-speed water sports, diving into water, or taking to your shower, because it's gonna have hot water all over around. But it's suitable for splashes, swimming, rain or snow, and we're gonna test this in a minute. Not last, I'm gonna tell about the battery, which you can use it with all the functions up to 10 days, or you can use it up to 30 days only for basic watch mode, like turn off the Bluetooth connection, heart rate monitor and other functions, and only lift the wrist to see the time, like for 100 times per day. But honestly, I would like to keep with all the functions on, so I can receive all my calls, message alerts on the smartwatch, because this one can vibrate to remind you of everything important in time and display the message right on the watch to give you smart reminders. Guys, what would you like to have on this smartwatch is always on display, because after a couple of seconds the screen is turning off, so I just have to lift up for the screen to turn on or just press this button. Now I just downloaded the app from the Play Store. It's called VeryFit Pro, and then you just have to open the app. So we're gonna go together through the settings, use now, agree with these terms, allow the GPS and the Bluetooth connection, and let's see if we can connect it. So in this moment I did find the UFit. Just tap it once. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, confirm. If you can see, it's connected. The mail, yes, but you can choose I don't know, wow, let's say 80, 90. Let's leave it on 90. Let's leave on 6. I can or you can choose from kilograms. Let's see, higher. Okay, let's leave it like that. Sports target, sleep target, and wow, so many calorie, distance target. Let's move on. Allow, yes, and that's it. We got the app on this moment. So through the app you got everything. You can control the smartwatch. You can set up daily steps, weekly steps, mileage, activity, sleep information, deep sleep, light sleep, awake hours, which is interesting, heart rate, resting at this moment, average heart rate, maximum heart rate. So through the app, the smartwatch can be set up to allow call alerts, sedentary alerts, alarm, music control, which is another interesting option here. Music control on. You can choose from Spotify, YouTube Music, or sound player, and the heart rate detection automatically or manually. Right sense, healthcare, your product, remind you to the next. This is probably more for the woman, so you just need to read on the app. And let's see, even more activity display, running, GPS is on for this, running, walking, bicycle, hiking. Wow, so many options you got. Device language, so you can set up English, French, Italian, Spanish. Heart rate zone, find my phone. This is another interesting option. Do not disturb or just reboot the device. Of course, you can upgrade your smartwatch by searching for the latest firmware. So that's a lot of options for this smartwatch. So I hope I did cover most of the functions that this smartwatch UFit is coming with. And if you want to discover or to just play with the smartwatch, well, you can find it on Amazon or AliExpress at different prices for both websites. I'm gonna leave a link on the descriptions if you want to have a look. And yeah, I will just play a little bit more with this smartwatch. And if you got any questions, just leave a comment on that section. And like I said before, if the screen would stay on a little bit more seconds, would be perfect. Or if it would have that function always on display, would be great. But because this one is receiving updates, this can be even more improved. So don't forget about the main functions that this smartwatch is coming with, like the blood oxygen, the blood pressure, heart rate, sport. You can choose from 9 sports activities. Keep still. Okay, and also you got the alarm, you got the music control, you got the timer, and of course sports record. Also you got all the calls and messages alert on your wrist. And even you can take this smartwatch into the water because it's 5 ATM support. So being said, thanks for watching this video. Give it a like, share, subscribe if you want, and see you soon with another interesting video.